This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product.
A grounded electrical outlet will need to be located within 2 feet of either side of the dryer. The rear of the dryer should be positioned no closer than 6 inches from the wall.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install washer-dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Tip the dryer on its back and onto a large piece of cardboard or scuff shield to prevent floor damage. Screw the 4 leveling legs into the leg holes by hand. Use a wrench to finish turning the legs until the diamond marking is no longer visible, about a ½ inch from the base of the dryer. Stand the dryer to its upright position. Slide the dryer until it is close to its final destination. Leave enough room to connect the exhaust vent and gas line.
Warning: explosion hazard. Use a new CSA International approved gas supply line. Install a shutoff valve. Securely tighten all gas connections. If connected to propane, have a qualified person make sure gas pressure does not exceed 14-inch or 36-centimeter water column. Examples of a qualified person include licensed heating personnel, authorized gas company personnel, and authorized service personnel. Failure to do so can result in death, explosion, or fire.
Flexible stainless steel gas connector is recommended to connect the gas supply line and valve to the dryer. Remove the red cap from the gas pipe. Connect the flexible gas connector to the dryer gas pipe using a pipe to flare adapter fitting, or use a pipe elbow adapter fitting to direct the gas connector up or to either side. Using a wrench to tighten, connect the gas supply to the dryer. Use pipe joint compound on the threads of all non-flared male fittings. Once the gas connector has been secured, open the gas shutoff valve in the supply line. Test all connections by brushing on an approved non-corrosive leak detection solution. Bubbles will show a leak. Correct any leak found. Next, connect the vent. Using a 4-inch clamp, connect the vent exhaust outlet to the dryer and secure it. If connecting to an existing vent, make sure the vent is clean. Check that the vent is secured to the exhaust hood with a 4-inch clamp. Move the dryer into its final location. Do not crush or kink the vent. Make sure there are no kinks in the flexible gas line. Check that the dryer is level, first side to side, then front to back. If the dryer is not level, prop up the dryer using a wood block. Use a wrench to adjust the legs up or down and check again to confirm that the dryer is level. Check that all four legs are in contact with the floor and the dryer does not rock.
Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock.
Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet.